That you cannot manifest is the greatest lie that you've ever been told. It's the biggest lie ever that you've told yourself and that others have told you. Because the results from the physical realm come from within. They don't come from the outside. They don't come from what you are doing. They don't come from the techniques that you use. They come from what you feel deep within. They come from your assumptions and your beliefs that are already ingrained deep within you, from others and from yourself. To manifest is to be human. To manifest is to live every second, every minute of life here on Mother Earth. It's not to try and it's not to struggle. To manifest is not a technique. You don't manifest what you want to manifest or what you need to manifest. You manifest what you assume is true deep within. What you already are, you radiate, you vibrate, you embody each second of your existence. So right now, if you start to expect something different for yourself, if right now, in a second, you take the conscious decision that I deserve better, I am better, I look better, I feel better, then you will embody that through every part of your being. Every cell will continue to work in your favor, and you won't even have to try. The truth is that so many people come through all the time and ask me, how do you look different now? How do you resemble your desired face or your desired faces right now and before you did not? And I'm saying, I changed my state of being. I feel different. I felt different. I no longer felt like a victim. I no longer felt like, oh my god, I have to do this technique. I have to constantly seek something outside of myself. I realized that, hey, when I'm seeking something outside of myself, I'm not actually manifesting what I want. Because I feel like that is so external, like I don't have anything to do with it, when actually you have everything to do with it. With who you are right now and who you are manifesting every single second to be. But I tried this already. I watched 500 videos on manifestation and physical appearance, and I did not embody that. It did not happen. And I'm asking you again, are you honest with yourself? Is your emotional state of being exactly there and it's aligned with what you want? Tell me, is that true? Has that been true for you? Is that the case for you? And if you're saying yes, come through. Give that insight to yourself, because if it did not happen physically, it means that something is out there deep within you that is not aligned with what you want. Please listen to me, because this is so true. You can watch so many videos. You can do courses, coachings. You can do everything that you want. I feel like you're constantly struggling because you are trying to manifest. You are not embodying that which you want to manifest. You have to really feel that. You have to really come to a sense of that. And hey, this is actually true. I actually feel that I can. I actually assume that it will happen. And this is what is going to be happening next. And actually, I'm not forcing myself to feel that way, because there is a difference between hope and belief, and hope and assuming truly deep within and radiating that and assuming that for real, rather than forcing yourself to feel that. It's a huge difference. And I know there's so many people, they think that hope equals fate, but it's not actually true. Hope doesn't equal fate. Hope is hope, that is struggle, that is trying. Faith, assuming, believing is something entirely different and a whole different embodiment. Let me tell you all that you have to do to embody who you want to be and what you want to look like. There is this one time in which you feel like you're done struggling. You no longer want to struggle or try. You just want to become. And you start to realize that you don't have to do all these crazy things and to overcomplicate the whole process. You have to be honest with yourself. You don't even have to be honest with me or anyone else, but with yourself. So many people hold on to their manifestation so strongly. They don't want to release it because they think the more techniques I use, the better and the faster my result will come. That's not true, because you will be seeking. You have to really release. You have to really positively detach. And there is a negative versus a positive detachment process, because if you negatively detach, you start to be bitter and frustrated and say, okay, I give up. You only focus on the negative parts, never on the positive parts. When you negatively detach, you're like, I don't want to do this anymore, it doesn't work for me. And there is no such thing. And let me give you a reminder that the law of assumption and the law of attraction and the law of expression, they are laws, exactly like the law of gravity. Doesn't matter if you believe or not, it still works. It doesn't matter if you give up, it will continue to work in your life. But if you consciously do this and you realize this is a truth for yourself and for everyone else, you will manifest the things naturally from your state of being, from your assumption, through your own advantage, not on autopilot, just things that you are not certain of, things that you don't know what's coming next, because you actually can be sure of what's coming next. Yes, you absolutely can. And this was the thing that changed it for me, because I just, I was like, okay, why am I trying so hard? I don't have to try. I don't have to try, I'm this person and I look like this and I act like this and I have this and this is my life and it's beautiful. And I started to be more appreciative of the things that I had and the qualities I possessed within myself. And I started to really take that introspection deep within. Hey, I have these qualities, I can do this. I harness this power within, let me honor it. It's true, it's here, it's already true. I don't have to try. I don't have to struggle. I really don't have to. Why am I complicating this for myself? That's one thing. Are you afraid to embody it? Because you have to release that fear out in the universe or out to source. If you don't release it, then you're going to hold on so strong to it that you will be like, hey universe, or hey source, hey God, I'm afraid to have this. I'm not sure yet if I want it. You're also going to signal that to your higher self that you don't know if you actually want that thing. You kind of want it, but not 100%. And there are also many people that come through and say, but I look in the mirror, I am sad, I listen to everything that you said or anyone else said, I don't feel that. And here I am and I say, yes, you don't feel that. Again, you don't feel that. If you don't feel that, you don't assume that. If you don't assume that, how do you want it to happen exactly? If you don't even believe that yourself, you want the source to believe, you want the universe to believe and to give it to you, just to prove to you? No, you have to prove it to yourself first. You have to be the one that accepts it first, and then it will come to you. You can consciously do this every single day through anything, to just being there and reminding yourself, I can do this. So many people did it, and this power is here with me all the time. I don't have to worry or doubt. I don't have to do 100 techniques because I can already do this. Maybe sometimes you need reminders from the external world, but at the end of the day, you're going to take the steps. And if you're not going to take those steps, do you want other people to manifest for you? You have that power. Cherish it and honor it every second of your life. And you will see that from that being of, I'm happy and I'm loved and I'm loved and I remember who I am, you will manifest beautiful things and even better. Your physical appearance plus even better. You can do more things that you like, that you love, that help you feel better, and in that way you automatically detach because you are in that love and you are in the frequency and you are in the assumption, and you no longer hold on to your manifestation. You just release it and it just comes to you. Or you can take that process, like I said, subconsciously, and starting to approach your self-concept really close and be like, okay, this is fun. Take it as a fun process, because it is a fun process if you start to see it as a fun process. If you're starting to see it as a hard process, then you're going to just put yourself in those emotions of, it's hard, I cannot do this, it's so hard, I'm so tired, I don't want to do this, somebody please help me. You're then hopeless. You are telling yourself that you're hopeless and confused, and that's obviously going to hurt you emotionally and your state of being. And may you right now remember your power. I'm creating this video so that you can tap into the frequency of creation. And I'm glad that you connected to it, because right now as you watch this, the frequency is on. You may feel it in your body, you may get the right questions in your mind and the right emotions flowing through your veins. And yes, that's it. That is the embodiment. That is what you can. Yes, this is you. No one can change that. You can remind yourself this and feel this whenever you like to. Please know this. And please also stop seeking outside that validation, because you already have it here. I just wanted to say that this is the first time in like 6 months or more in which I'm opening the Law of Attraction Assumption and or Subliminals coaching program, which will help you work with me one-on-one, live, through live connection, audio connection or video connection, whatever you like most. And I'm going to help you if you like to get guided, if you like to tap into your own power and stop struggling with your manifestation process. And if you like to join, then you can click the link below. There are either my website from which you can connect directly for March, not for February, because February is already full. And just go there, add it. You can just join, or you can click down on my Instagram and you can join through the Instagram or through my email down below. And again, you already have everything that you need deep within, and you are supported. You are not alone in this process. Oh, and also for hypnotherapy as well. I'm sending you lots of love. I love you, I see you, and you can. Go on, you'll be able to do this. And I'll see you the next time.